In this video I will show you how to scan document on Android, like photo scan and hard copy scan, any from gallery photos and any document scan. So first need a app, Adobe Scan. So go to Play Store and download. This is my phone, already download apps, and back here and open Adobe. First you create a account, only need a mail ID and create your account. After that allow, all permission is allow. Okay, so this is an interface showing you. I want first scan hard copy, like I have a example. This is my first page, like this is my first page. I scan first page. So automatic capture, if you don't want automatic capture, setting change. First page capture and second capture for keep scanning, click, and second page camera button, click and capture second page. You can see first page and second page. If you want this page delete it and scroll left side and delete option, this show and delete. If you want custom, so crop option showing and custom here open, you can customize. Okay, after that second page customize, only area select page scan. Okay, if you want rotate page, this rotate option. If you want filter any ad, here filter ad. If you want keep scanning more, keep scanning, click. So here click and rename, click. I want save PDF, click. You can see this is my PDF, save. If you add showing, so escape here. I want share this PDF, so share, click, and send a copy, click, and social media platform open and select WhatsApp and select version name, arrow, choose, and this is PDF, share. Okay, if you want from gallery scan photos, so again this interface and go to here option, click image and select any image, like first image select and second image select and third image select and this fourth. After that if you more options, show all photos and go to three dot and browser and download section, three dot, click here, phone and any folder, search and attach photo document. Okay, I back, only 4 photo I scan. After that this arrow, click, 4 photos is scan. You can see only selected area scan. If you want custom, so crop, first click photos and crop. Okay, after that say PDF, no thanks, this is it, this my PDF, and share, send a copy and WhatsApp, choose and send WhatsApp. This PDF I open, just open, you can see this PDF ready. Okay, only for example. If you my video informative, like and subscribe.